I don't understand why refrigerator door ice machines are so loud. It's so embarrassing to cool your drink at someone else's house. Everyone's in the living room watching a movie, you go in the kitchen, it's just like... One ice cube, just one ice cube. I think like 3 or 4 more. Finally, you just give up. You just open the freezer. There's just an already made pile of ice in there. What the hell is the noise? I thought it was at least making the ice. What's happening in there? Just a tiny robot just kicking around ice. Slide it down the tube.
Sign up for my mailing list to see me perform in a city near you.